Hi everybody, welcome to my video. What I like to do in these videos is just find old things that either I have or in the garbage or something, and just basically take them apart and see what's inside. I'm not going to try and put them back together because I don't know how to do that. I'm not an electrician or a mechanic or anything like that, but I do like to deconstruct things, get them down to what they originally are, and just see what things are made of and what it looks like on the inside. One of the reasons I started this, well, I've always liked to do it, but one of the reasons I started is I took apart a old TV lamp, and I found this cool reflective plexiglass that's kind of curved on the inside and on the outside, and I wasn't expecting to find that in there, so I decided, hey, what else kind of cool things can I find in there? This was just another cool little piece that was inside that I thought I might use for some little project down the road. So because of that, I decided, why not just start making videos and seeing what we find together. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out a old multimeter. This is one I've had for a long time. Don't really use it anymore. And if we look at the knobs, we can see that there's only 5 settings, which I know today's multimeters, there's a lot more than just 5. So it's from Radio Shack, and it's definitely back in the day. So I am going to start taking this apart piece by piece and see what we find. Is there a date on this? No, there isn't. Back cover I already took off. I'm probably going to keep these when I get another multimeter, so I have an extra set. So let's go ahead and start by taking off the back and see what's inside. Grab my tools here. And let's see. Let's find, will this get down in there? Almost. There we go. This looks like it'll do it. Nope, close. How about that one? Wow. All right, let me pull out my other tool. It's just very deep in there. This one. There we go. Okay, almost there. There's one. There's 2. Okay, there we go. Some kind of insulation. There's that. A little fuse. So this is just plastic. This is the back piece, nothing else on there. Okay, we've got some tiny screws here. So, another fuse. Let's take that out. So 2 tiny fuses. All right, small screw, small screw. And run right there. Let's see. There we go. Ah, now we're seeing some stuff here. Knob turner. Again, some insulation. What do we got here? It looks like the thing to read out. I'll try to take that off in a second. Here's my 4 screws. Here's the chip. Some springs. Here's the other screw, the plugs. So nothing really more to take from here unless I want to cut off the wires and the resistors, but I don't need those. The board. This is an interesting piece. Oh, if you look, it's only a push through. There we go. That's interesting. Parts for that, then it can be pulled off. Pull those off. Pliers. There we go. Come on. There's one. And there's the other. Looks like it goes on like this. There we go. It's a nice little knob turner. This, I think I will keep this piece. Who knows, maybe down the road I can use it for something. So that's a piece I will keep. Nothing there. Let's see if I can break off this part. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's broken. There's that. Now, let's see about how to get this off. Oh, wait a second. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Nice little screen. And just a clear plate glass from here. Wonder if I can pry this off. There we go. There we go. And there we have it. All the pieces from an old multimeter. Got your plastic ends. Oh, forgot to take this off because I love to take things apart. Ah, come on. There we go. So here's the plastic. Always recycle plastics. Here's the motherboard. Like I said, nothing here I really want. So that's garbage. Garbage. I'm gonna keep this LCD screen. Don't know what I'll use it for. I think it's kind of a cool piece. I like to keep little pieces I find. Like I said, I'm gonna keep the switch too. Who knows, might have a use for it down the road. So these are the pieces I'm going to keep. These come off. That's new. Another thing I found taken apart. Garbage. This is garbage. Garbage. I might keep the fuses. Always keep fuses. You never know when you'll need them. I like the idea of these little ribbons for them, so I'm going to keep these. And of course, I'm going to keep these for my next multimeter. So there you have it. these are the pieces inside a multimeter. So I hope you liked the video, and subscribe, thumbs up, and I will take apart other things as I find them. So join me and we'll break stuff together. See everyone later. Thank you.